అందరికి నమస్కారం అండి. నా పేరు సాయి సుధుని. I'm the national coordinator of ATA. Banquet is mainly all about ATA awards. ATA awards అంటే ఆషామాషా కాదండి. ఈసారి 125 వచ్చినాయి ఆశా అవార్డులకు. ముఖ్యంగా తెలుగు ప్రజలు బాగా చదువుకుంటారు కదా, గట్టిగా ఆడతారు, అన్ని రంగాలు ఉంటారు మనోళ్ళు. చాలా కష్టం చూజ్ చేస్తాడు. సో రిందా చైర్ ATA award chair, Rinda garu, please come on the stage. Rinda Sama. And Kashi Kotta is advisor. Madhubhamaneni garu, president, please come on the stage. Rinda Sama, Kashi Kotta, Madhubhamaneni garu, president, please come on the stage. ATA awards co-chair Narendra Nugal garu, please come on the stage. ATA member Sangameshwar Reddy garu, Chelma Bandar garu, please come on the stage. Finally, EC committee, please come on the stage. Jayanth Chella garu, elect president, Ram Krishna garu, secretary, joint secretary on the stage. Joint treasurer Ravindra Gudur garu, Bhunesh Bhujala garu, past president garu, please come on the stage. He's also part of EC. And final thanks to all BODs who worked very hard. Rinda team worked very well for the ATA awards. Thank you, Rinda. But thank you. Give a big hand, guys. It's awards night. Give a big hand for the entire ATA team. Bhunesh Bhujala garu, Rinda Sama garu, please talk about ATAX, how you did it, how you came up with these 18 people, how good they are. Please explain to the community. Thank you.
Good evening, everybody. My name is Rinda Sama. I'm board of trustee from California. I'm honored to be here in front of dignitaries, ATA advisors, founders, past presidents, and the entire Telugu community. As you know, the Telugu community manaku US lo chaala fast గా grow అవుతున్నది, and we have been performing really well in many areas, whether it's business, medicine, science and technology, literature, community service. So as a result, a lot of deserving candidates, a lot of deserving people unnaru manaku. So as an awards committee, it was very difficult for us to select and shortlist the awardees here. But we did our best to the best of our ability. Selecting the most challenging, and I want to thank the entire committee here for spending a lot of time selecting these deserving individuals. I also want to extend my thanks to the executive committee, the board, and the convention team for trusting us in selecting these candidates. It's a privilege to be here, and I'm grateful for the support we all received from them. On behalf of ATA, thanks everybody, and we'll be recognizing some of these dignitaries in the next few sessions. Thank you all.
Kiran Pasham garu, ATA convener, please come on the stage. Without Kiran, nothing happened next 3 days. Kiran Pasham garu, please come on the stage. Sridhar Tirupati, coordinator, please come on the stage. Anil Bodhireddy is the director, please come on the stage. Finally, Bhunesh Bhujala garu, you had to come. Part of EC, as president, did excellent conference in 2022. Bhunesh garu, please come on the stage. Finally, Kashi Kotta garu is the advisor of the awards committee. Thank you, everybody. Rinda garu, you go ahead.
Ramchandra here.
సేవా కార్యక్రమంలో
I request Mr. P. Ramchandra Reddy Garu to come onto the stage to accept Excellence in Community Services Philanthropy. Over his lifetime, Mr. Mr. Ramchandra Reddy Garu has contributed over $15 million Easter Seals of America and Salvation Army. Leading roles in trade delegation appointed by the organizations in areas of education, primary health, social rehabilitation, and community enrichment. He is active